Hey, what's going on, people? Sadistic Picker here, and today I've got this lock right here that I'm working on, or been working on. I got it open yesterday, big victory. Then I opened up a couple more, so today I figured I would do a tutorial on it and how fickle these pins can really be. So, applying little tension, there's nothing for... Nothing on pin 1, nothing on pin 2, nothing on pin 3, nothing on pin 4. Finally, oh whoops, let's see, that's got something with a little more reach. Sorry, and we'll start in the back. So little, I just barely even touched it. You can do what they call tickling it, and that's just rubbing your pin across the top. A lot of times that'll set. A lot of these serrated. With the American 1100, the pins are so small, the core is just tiny. So when you think about it, it doesn't take very much at all to move these pins up into position. It's crazy how easy it is to overset pins. So just little clicks at a time, little clicks at a time. I lost that one. Man, that was frozen up. I think I accidentally overset it too in the back. Shit. Yeah, I did. Alright, let's try again. So, working from the back. And I think I might even set number 4 by setting number 5. Oh, that should have opened. That just put me into a false set. Huh. That's new. That's new. Didn't see that coming at all. Cool. And there it is. So, the first time I undid this, or opened this up, I didn't get that little false set there. That was cool. Okay, so let's lock it back up. Nice lock from JBB locksmithing, or JBB lock and key locksmithing from Kokomo. Hey, let's take this apart. Let's see what he's got going on in here, huh? Let's put this down. Oh, whoops. So, I want to see what he's got going on in here. And today I do have gutting tools because I'm at my desk. take this out of shot. Where's the key? Oh yeah, let me show you the bitting on this. So there's the bitting for it. Not super tough, but a lot better bitting than what I got for some of my other ones. Oh shit, I feel stupid now. I forgot about the clip. Let's clean up some of these tools too. Here, I'm going to set this down here for a second. Clean up some of my picks. Sorry, everybody. Tensioners. I'll put over here because I'm going to want to come back to them. I got a couple other 1100s too. I figured I would pick and on this, but let's see, what was I doing? Clip. Actually, come on now. I don't think this is going to work. Yeah, because it's too small. God damn these tiny little things. Trying to figure out fucking ways maybe I can pop it. I don't know, people. What's the best way you recommend getting these clips off of the 1100s? Ta-da! Just quit being a puss about it, I guess, is the proper way. Okay, let's see. Which way is the top? That's the top. Yeah, okay. Shim. Kick key to the side. Let's shim this baby up. Actually, this has got to go this way so I get the... I took one of these apart. Oh, sorry, people. Last time, and so I used the follower, but the tails are split tail on the back here. They're cut. So, I didn't have the plug turned right, even though I had the little battery on there. I didn't have the plug turned right, so when I shoved the follower through it with the shim shifted, and well, I made a mess of things in the end. Let me find my AAA battery. Best follower hack I've ever found for the 1100. Woo! So this right here could be 6-pinned. Okay, so let's see, how do I do this to where I can capture it all? Bear with me, people. I know this is turning into a forever series. I just want to make sure I get the pin thing in view too. Okay, we'll put it like that to keep it all in check, and then I'll zoom down on the pins once it's all out. Okay, so let's turn and face this the right way. Put pin 1. Well, that's cool. Pin 2 didn't really want to come out of there, but it did. Nice and oiled up. Pin did not want to come out. This thing is so tiny, it doesn't even have a serrate on it. Pin 1. Pin 2, they got greened out, or redded out. It's got serrates. Pin 3's got a couple serrates. 4's got a couple, 5's got a couple, except for it's got blue marking. I wonder why that is. What's the difference in blue? It must be colored for pin depth size, I guess. Okay, well, nice factory pins there. Let's do where are my tweezers? There we go. Just really didn't want it to shoot out. So that was the last pin. We're starting in reverse here, or we're going in reverse. Spool for number 4. A serrated spool. It is a serrated spool. That's cool. Another serrated spool for 3. Sorry it's taking so long, people, but I don't want to lose them and fling them about springs. Serrated. And let's see what the last one is. Serrated. So there was only 2 spools and I can't really see. No serrates in there. No serrates in there. I don't think there's anything in here neither. Let's see, where's the pick? Nope, no serrates in there neither. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna drop down over here. I'm trying to do that slowly. So there's how it was pinned up. And them spools are serrated spools. That's cool. I thought that the spools were just regular spools in these, but Maybe that's a kick. Maybe you guys can let me know. Okay. So, this is gone on long enough. 20-minute video, I think, is long enough. I appreciate it. JBB Locksmithing for putting this thing together and shipping it out to me. I will get it on to the next person. I think I'll send this lock and the other challenge lock, the real doozy. This Schlage I haven't done yet. On overseas, maybe we can get Harry Bow to make us a lock with some rattlesnake T-pins, or maybe rattlesnake T-pins and a magnet. Oh, fuck, that would be so cool. Yeah, I don't know. That might be a hard talk, hard convince. Harry, if you're watching, because I know that you follow my channel faithfully, Harry Bow, let's talk lock swap. All right. Well, sadistic picker here, and I'm going to get this thing back together, and maybe we'll do another video down the road for 1100s. But main number tip with 1100s, use a deep hook. Second tip, thin shaft. Even though I switched picks, I did it because I wanted to apply a tiny bit more pressure, and I don't want to do that with thin picks like these, so I bumped up to a law lock there at the end with nice deep hook. But anyway, yes, fickle. Tickle the pins. Be very fickle. One little serrate pop at a time. If you do have a key, great. It's a great cheat. I think if you don't have a key, they're a little bit tougher, but just like I said, tickle the pins first, and it usually brings you to mainly your spools, or serrated spools in this case, and maybe you might need to pop one or two down physically. But other than that, you can crack these locks fairly quickly, and I imagine the more practice with them, the faster I'll be. Anyway, guys, enjoy your day. I hope you enjoy the video. Feel free to comment, and, well, you can't share, so feel free to comment. Later, guys.